Welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing a simple ribbon pour, and these are the colors. I'm using Soft Body Black by Artist Loft, and this is this is Amsterdam Silver mixed with a little bit of pewter from Deco Art, and this gold is Creative Inspirations Gold mixed with a little bit of Treasure Gold by Folk Art. And my white is Liquitex Iridescent White mixed with a little bit of Amsterdam Titanium White. And I'm going to layer a cup with these four and look over my nails. I'm going to the nail shop as soon as I get done with this painting. This is going to be our base color. It's a neutral gray by Liquitex mixed with a little bit of black. Everything here is mixed with Floetrol and water to consistency. However, these three, I did add a little bit of golden gloss gel medium, just a tiny bit to these three, the gold, the silver, and the iridescent white mixed with the titanium white. So I'm going to get the canvas set up and we're going to do this quick little pour. And since it's going to be so quick, I may as well do two paintings for you guys today. So we'll do the ribbon pour and then I will try doing a Dutch pour in a pretty design. So let me get the canvas set up. I'll put on some music and we'll get to pouring. Okay, I have a 16 by 20 inch canvas here, and I have my cup ready to layer. And the reason that I added iridescent white to this titanium white that I mentioned is so that I'll have less chance of it bleeding in with other colors. So we'll see what happens here. Going in with black. I think we'll go black, silver, gold, and white. And repeat. And we're going to end with black, a little bit. I'm going to put the base down and spread it out. We don't need too much. Don't need much. And I hadn't decided if I'll be spinning or tilting yet. I'll see what it looks like. I may do a little bit of both. I got something in here. Spread this out. We'll pop a few bubbles. Okay, and let's go. I'm not sure if I'm going to use this whole cup. This is a lot of paint. So let's see how this goes. I think that's enough. So I think I'm going to give it a little spin first just to stretch this out a little bit. And then I'll see if I want to tilt. So let's see, just a little spin, stretch out a little bit. And I think I'm gonna go down the center because I don't like what's going on here, and we have big blocks of color here. So I'm just gonna try to cover up some of the spots that I don't like and add a little bit more contrast. All right, so I like that a little bit better. Let's give it a spin. Ooh. This is just a trust the process type of situation. I really want to go through it with the palette life, but I like these three circles the most. So I want to make that the primary focus. So I'm going to tilt that towards the center and probably give it one more spin and we'll be done with this one. Yeah. Okay. One more spin. Ooh, maybe one more. I didn't realize it was that much paint left. Okay, all right. I think that's gonna do it. I like it. It kind of looks like an abstract face. And those two are the eyes, and that's the mouth from that angle. But yeah. Okay, I'm gonna clean my hands and then I'll show you guys the close up. to get these edges. All right. Okay. All right, guys. This is it. Excuse the glare. I think this is going to be pretty interesting, especially when it dries and I see what this gold does. I hope I get a lot of shimmer, but we'll see. Hmm. And I wish I had a little bit more white showing up. But all in all, I think it's pretty nice. What I'm going to do for the Dutch pour that I'm going to do next is add, I'm going to add another white. I'll let you guys know what I decide to use when I pour that. And, yeah. Okay. I'll put on a little music for the next pour. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you are enjoying the art here on my channel, please consider subscribing and liking the video. And if there's anything that you'd like to see, please leave it in the comments because I find it a little bit hard. I have my favorites that I stick to, my favorite techniques, but I enjoy doing a little bit of everything. So if there's anything you guys want to see, just leave it in the comments. And I usually like keeping my videos underneath 20 minutes, so I'll be saving that Dutch pour for Thursday. I post on Tuesdays and Thursday long form videos, so be sure to check back Thursday to see how this painting dried and also to check out the Dutch pour that I'll be doing using these exact same paints. If I add anything, it'll be a cell activator with titanium white. So thank you very much for joining me for this painting and have a very beautiful day.